Hi CMH friends, I am Ramona Williams, the Alexander Specialist here at Children's Museum Houston. Thank you so much for joining me today. I have a very fun activity that will also involve recycling just a little bit so you can do your part in saving the earth. It is called Styrofoam printing that you can use for your holiday cards and, give a little love and cheer this holiday season. So these are the supplies that you will need for this activity. Cardstock, a paper plate, a roller or a brayer if you happen to have a brayer at home, styrofoam plate, and here's where the recycling comes in. You'll notice that my styrofoam actually has a hole in it, but I think that's completely fine. I will just work that into my design some type of way, or if you have any other styrofoam that you might want to throw out or even put in the recycling bin, here, use that. You will need markers to decorate the inside of your card, as well as paint. I'm going to do something with these two. I'm going to mix them together to get the color that I want. And also a pencil, scissors, and a hole puncher. So let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is to cut out the inside of our styrofoam plate so that way we have something to actually make the imprint on and start making our design. So this doesn't have to be neat whatsoever, and if you want to, you can make it in the shape of a circle, or you could make it a square, whatever you would like to make. Okay, so see how I just cut that off and threw it to the side because it's not necessary. And like I said, it doesn't have to be neat. Here we go, we're almost done. I'm gonna keep this a circle just because it really doesn't matter for this shape. And because I'm gonna make a holiday card, I'm gonna make a Christmas tree design on my styrofoam, okay? So here's that. And I am going to, you could do one of two things, but I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and make my design. Now, if you're one of those people who likes to plan things out, that's completely fine. You can take a piece of paper and plan out your design, or you can go right for it. So I'm going to make a Christmas tree. So the idea here is to use the styrofoam to press in and make indentions in the styrofoam, but not necessarily going through, okay? So don't worry about being perfect. It's just the idea of making it, and if it does go through, guess what? It'll be okay. It'll be completely okay. Let's see. Here we have our Christmas tree. I wonder if that looked like a Christmas tree as I was making it, okay? So here's this, we're gonna put this to the side. And now I'm going to take my cardstock and I'm gonna fold it in half. Okay, that's folded in half. And the thing is, I wanna be able to make sure that my print is gonna fit, not considering the circle, but the tree, and it does that way. So I'm gonna do it the long way instead of making my card this way. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is make a quick holiday message, and I think I'm going to do it in violet. Okay, and the reason why we want to do the inside of our card, and like I said, decorate it as much as you want. The reason why I want to do the inside of my card first is because you don't want to have your paint here, open it up, and then now your paint's on your table. Okay, so we're getting there, we're almost done. The next thing we need to do is to get our paint, and I'm using two different color paints. The reason is because I want a green Christmas tree, and yellow and blue makes green. Make sure you have something underneath that will catch the paint. So here I have a table cover, and that's going to catch any paint that I have. And I'm going to roll it over my art piece. Now, a brayer is really the best thing for this, but I figure a lot of people don't have brayers at home, and so what we can do is there's a little trick. So if it ends up having a little bit too much paint on it, into the little grooves, we can use our pencil and just go through and take some of the extra paint out, okay? And so whenever you get to the point where you have turned it over to make your print, it will actually show as a print. Take our card, we're going to turn, and we're going to mash it down, and then carefully lift up your card, and we should have the print of a Christmas tree. Okay, I love my tree. Now the top of my tree is missing a little bit, so I didn't press down. I'm not gonna redo it because I may end up pressing too much of the paint, but what you wanna make sure you do is press down everywhere, ever so gently. You see my Christmas present down here, you see my ornaments, and as well as my my star is missing, but that is okay. I might even just draw it on to add to a little bit more creativity. And so here we have our print as well as our holiday greeting, and you can give this as a gift, as a DIY gift. So I have punched holes in my card, and you can decorate it however you like to decorate it. I'm going to decorate it by using yarn that I have, and in my 4 holes, I'm going to tie some bows on each end to make it really cute and festive. Thank you for joining me for this styrofoam printing holiday activity. I hope you make many, many holiday cards and bring much cheer to yourself as well as those who will receive them. That is all the time I have for right now. Make sure you join us here at Children's Museum Houston. Again, I'm Ramona Williams, and I hope to see you here at the museum.